Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see how we can sort the records that have been retrieved. So let's get started. I'm going to use the Sakila database as always. So let us write very simple queries for sorting. So if I say select star from film, so we get the records, but the records are not sorted. So in case I want to sort, I can just go ahead and say order by title. So the records will be sorted according to the title alphabetically. So if it is a character column, they will be sorted alphabetically. If it is a numeric column, they will be sorted according to value of the members. Okay. Now this is ascending order. Okay. And it is the default order. You can explicitly tell it to order it in the ascending order by just saying ASC and if I just copy and say DESC, then it is going to sort it in the descending order. So the meaning of these two queries is same. Basically, whenever we say order by with some particular column name, then it automatically sorts it in ascending order implicitly. If you want to make it explicit for better readability and understanding, you can just make sure that you add this ASC keyword. And if you want to sort it in the descending order, you can just say DESC. So this is how we can sort with a single column. Now we can even sort by column alias. And let us see how we can do it. So I'm just going to copy this. Select title as name. Comma description from film and order by name. So here we have name as an alias and we are ordering it by name. Okay, so by default it is ascending order as we haven't specified anything. Okay, and we can even order it in the descending order. So let me execute it. And this is the output. So finally, we can order everything by multiple columns. And that is also very easy. So I'm just going to say select rental rate, title, comma, description from film, order by rental rate, title, and if I execute this, this is the output. This is the rental rate and title and description. Okay, and it is ordered by first rental rate and after that it is ordered by title. So suppose if you have the films with multiple films with the same rental rate, then again that data is going to be ordered by title. Now we can also use ascending and descending in this. Okay, I can just say DESC so that here you are able to see A. Now you will be able to see the stuff from Z probably or other characters. Yes. So this is how we can sort the data in our result set with order by clause. So we have seen how we can do it with a single column, how we can explicitly mention that it is in ascending order, how we can order it by descending order, and then how we can use multiple columns and how we can sort by the column alias. So do let me know if you have any questions, queries or comments about this video lecture. Thanks a lot for watching this video lecture, and I will see you next time.